Yeah. Me. My nigga see on that. We done drank. Gutter. Yeah. Got you. West side. Back home, I just came back home. Struck to the backbone, getting my stanks on. Came down, called till I'm down. It's my life, nigga, it's my life.
That shit's gon' change. We get up in this game. The bitches gon' fly. The hood's gon' bang. That shit's gon' change. We get up in this game.
Chillin' with my boy Eyez. What you saying, cuz? These streets been cold. It's been a minute, but we're here now. So, you got a mixtape on the streets right now?
Yeah. A Black Rain joint.
Yeah.
For sure on the net. Waving all that.
And that's your first mixtape on these streets?
Nah, man. Got a couple joints, you know. Had the SM Volume 1. Got the motherfucking on site, about to drop. Toronto's Young Boy, the EP.
Yeah, so you working over here?
Yeah.
You working over here?
Sure.
Alright, so who you got featured on them? Who you working with?
On the Black Rain joint, I got Lunch, you know what I mean? Lunch, Juvie, RTM, you know, as usual. Got my man Silk on there, Swagger Jacket joint, I produce. And yeah, that's all. The rest is me. The rest is me on that.
So you produce everything on your mixtape?
Nah, I produced like 9 out of 12 joints. You know what I mean? I got my nigga Billa got a joint on there, and that's PS. Blitz got a joint on there, and Danny Sell. Yeah, Fat Shots to Danny Sell too. You know what it is.
Like a pop tire, cop whips from the dealer, no hot wire, straight cash, won't use the bank like Stoudemire. I'm not a liar, you can even check the street cred, swimming in your girlfriend, diving in the deep end. Alright,
so you plan on producing your whole upcoming mixtape?
Yeah, man. I got my nigga Blitz, you know what I mean? I fuck with Blitz.
Okay.
So, Blitz, you know?
So your style is really unique and different. It's like raw, in your face. So who are you influenced by? Like what has influenced you?
Yo, no nigga can influence me, you feel me? What I came from the hood for 40, you know what I mean? From out in the gym, you know what I mean? Man, rough out there, but for in the rap game, no nigga, man. We all do it for the same purpose. Real rap niggas know, you know what I mean? For that guala. Feel me?
Yeah.
That fettuccine, that bread spread.
Yeah. Alright.
To the sky, they say the game's notorious, so I'm ready to die. Despite my nickname, can't look me dead in the eye, cause you like Stifler.
Anything else you want to show these niggas out here?
Yo, I ain't really got shit to say to these niggas, you feel me? Real talk, my nigga.
When I touch down, it's to get the guap. Niggas flipping phones like they want me shot.
So what upcoming events you got coming up? Like, what are you doing for the future, man?
Yo, I got on site the album. You know what I mean? About to drop.
That's a mixtape you drop.
Yeah, on site the album. You know we gonna drop Toronto's Young Boy. Okay, we got something for the ladies, dreams. You know what I mean?
So who you got on that?
Got Lover Boy on that joint, you know what I mean? Got my man SK on there. You know, RTM as usual.
So you know where can we check you out? Like,
check me out on the, you know, myspace.com/theofficialdad.
Yeah, you upload new joints on there all the time, huh?
I got the mixtape up there, you know what I mean? Go check that shit out.
Right, make sure y'all hit that up.
Yeah, you good?
For sure.
Now your buildings are twin towers. Meet me and connect with 9 to 10 powder. Organize the west to east from B-Town to Glendower. Niggas think for bitches you need a Benz polish. Fuck a dime in the hood, I'll get you one for $10. Always had a few dreams to attend college, but niggas hype me up on the block like Ben Wallace. Told me I was nice and had the best promise. Nah, niggas scared to come up like it says when I touchdown. When I touch down, you know when I touch down. When I touch down, it's to get the guap. Niggas flipping phones like they want me shot. But when I come